Hello and welcome to my room tour of room 407 at the Farnborough Village Hotel. First thing to note is keycards, and the keycard is needed to turn on the lights. And also something I didn't realise was the actual wall plugs for power, so you can't charge your phone without your keycard being in the slot. The bed, I have been sleeping here, so don't mark them off for that. Speaking of the bed, plenty of space under it for your suitcase. Big TV. Views of the car park across the road, and as it's the airport over there, a lot of flight traffic. Tea and coffee. It's a big bed, very comfy, lots of pillows. This hotel, you do get a Google Home, so I was able to use that for alarm clock. Big mirrored wardrobe. Plenty of storage. A couple of hangers. Decent sized safe. Get a hairdryer, ironing boards in there, and the one drawer. For one person, for a few days or nights, it's adequate, it's good. There is AC, and the last bit is the bathroom. Not that you can see it right now, but this section here is heated from behind so that it doesn't fog up when the shower's running. Speaking of the shower, rainfall. And it does come with shampoo and body wash. And same for the hand soap. You do of course get towels provided. Floor towel, hand towel, and main body, I don't know what it's called. But that's it. That is the room. I'll do one last pan around just to show. Plugs. Big TV. This does come with Sky actually. Not too accessible, but you can get to the ports if needed. More plugs and an Ethernet port. Thanks for watching, I hope that was helpful. Bye.